Uracil-DNA glycosylase, UDG, also known as UNG, plays a critical role in DNA repair by removing uracil from DNA and preventing mutations. In human cells, UDG can repair 100 to 500 damaged bases per day, initiating base-excision repair by breaking the bond between uracil and the DNA backbone. There are two isoforms of UDG in humans, UNG1 and UNG2, each with specific roles in different cellular compartments. The evolutionary conservation of UDG highlights its importance in maintaining genome stability. In addition to its biological significance, UDG is also valuable for scientific research, especially in DNA detection techniques. The mechanism of action of UDG underscores its crucial role in safeguarding our genetic material.
By providing more than 7,000 high-quality products and services, SBS GeneTech has empowered researchers in over 60 countries, resulting in over 4,500 publications in prestigious journals such as Science, Cell, and Cell Metabolism. From China, for the world, for superior biology services since 2000.